Hey friends, let's do Out of Touch Guitar Lesson by Hall and Oats. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts all with on-screen tab and chord charts to make it easy to follow along. Let's make a start. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting with F, and I'll talk you through the strumming pattern here. We're going down, down, up, down, up. Then go to D minor 7, just do a down, stop. Then we go to G, we're doing a down, up, down, up. So we have down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. To A minor 7, down, down, up. To G, down, down, up. Back to A minor 7, down, down, up, stop. To E minor, up, down, up. And we do that through 2 times. We do it slowly. Do that through 2 times, and the 3rd time we just stop on the A minor 7, but again the strumming pattern is going to change a little bit. We do the F the same, down, up, D minor 7, down, stop. To G, just do a down, up, and then an A minor 7, down, up. And that's the 3rd time through. So that's our intro there, and that's also our chorus as well. Then we have the verse. Let me play that for you. So we're just starting on the G, and we're going to do sort of 2 bars there, but we're going to finish on the E minor. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, stop, E minor, up, down, up. Then do the same pattern, D minor 7 to E minor. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, stop, up, down, up. Then go to G and repeat that again, G to E minor. Up, down, up, stop, up, down, up. Now this time just do 2 bars on the D minor 7. Down, up. And then we go into C, just down, up, down, up. A minor this time, down, up, stop. To G, up, down, up. To F, down, up, stop. To E minor, up, down, up. Back to D minor, down, up, stop. To G, down, up. So we do that little part slowly from the C. Down, up, down, up, stop. Up, down, up, stop. Up, down, stop. Up, down, up. Then we're just going to C again, same 1 bar. Down, up, B flat, down, up. F, do 2 downs, down, and then we jump to the D minor. We're going to go up, down, down. So that last part from the C, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So that's our verse there. From our verse we just go back to the chorus again, back to the verse, and then we have the 3rd chorus. Let me do that for you. Before we go on, if you enjoy the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that really helps out. So let's get back into it. And then we have the 3rd chorus. Now this is just the top line of the intro, so let me just play it through once for you. And just do that 3 times there. Then we have our bridge. Let me play that for you. So we're just doing F for a bar, G for a bar, Then go to D sus2, and we're going to do 8 bars plus a 2 count with our normal down, down, up, down, up. And the last 2 counts is going to be a down, down, up. And then from there we're just going back to the third chorus, our F, D minor 7, G, A minor 7, G, A minor 7 to E minor, and just keep repeating that to the end. And there are all the guitar parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Out of Touch Guitar Lesson by Hall and Oats. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.